What's in the box? Something red? A red car. What's in this box? Something orange? An orange cat. How about this box? Something yellow? A yellow duck. What's in this box? Something green? A green dinosaur? What's in this box? Something blue? A blue bike. What's in this box? Something indigo? A dolphin. I wonder what's in this one. Something violet? Aw, a flower. What's in this box? A rainbow? Wow, a rainbow!